Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm bringing you another DIY toddler learning board. This one, I switched it up just a little bit. I made it more interactive because Ava is at a different stage now in her learning. So we had to switch a few things up. Plus, she is absolutely obsessed with trolls, everything. So I wanted to change out the theme. The last board was Elsa themed. I'll go ahead and link that video up here so you can check that out. And now we went with trolls. For all of you that are new here, hello. My name is Candace and I post videos on motherhood, lifestyle, beauty, and I also do some vlogging. If that sounds like your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. I decided this time to carry out her numbers longer. Before I had them 1 through 10. We are working on 1 through 20 now. I made her shapes over here. Let's see if I can bring it over for you. I made her shapes over here more interactive so she can go ahead and match them. And I created a little cubby here for them to go in. When she is not using them, she can just store everything here. We still have right hand, left hand like we had before. I also made this over here interactive for the days of the week, and this just says today is, and she can go ahead and stick that at whatever, you know, the day is. Down here, I made another cubby. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see. Down here, I made another little cubby thing. So it has all of the months there, and she can just go ahead and change those out. We have our opposites here, little, big, awake, asleep. This is her age, and I put this one on Velcro so that I don't have to keep remaking her board every single time she turns a different age. If we want to use this one when she turns 4, we can. We have our alphabets on this side, and then we have colors down here. So I'm super excited about this board. As soon as she saw it, she was ready to jump in and start touching things, which is what I wanted. I want her to be excited about it. I want her to want to learn without it feeling so daunting, like, you know, kids learn through play. So we got to keep it fun and interesting for them. So that's what I try to do. All right, so Ava and Raina didn't want to play over there by themselves anymore, so I guess they're joining me for this intro. Boy, have things changed. The last time I did this board, what I did was I went to like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, craft stores, and I got little like cut out letters and numbers that had the adhesive on the back, right? Super easy to find, but I didn't have a Cricut machine back then. So now I have a Cricut machine, so I was literally able to do everything on this board using my Cricut machine, some glue, these Velcro stickers, and a computer and printer. It was really, really easy. So if you have a Cricut machine, this is going to be a piece of cake. If you don't have a Cricut machine, not to fret, it's still super easy. You just need to go and get those little like sticky numbers and letters and things like that, like I did in the first video. Again, I'll link that first video up here so you have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. But it was really, really easy. I literally cut everything out, glued it, put it together. It was so simple. So, all right, guys, I don't think Ava and Raina are going to let me finish this intro successfully. So if you're interested in putting one of these boards together for your little one, go ahead and keep watching. not too like sticky. Okay, good. It should be relatively easy to peel them off. Yeah, okay. Uh-oh. Oh no, it's sticking to my mat. I think my mat might be too sticky. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna just like carefully go through and weed these out and take them off so that I can start getting it ready for the board. So what I'm gonna do with these poppy heads is I'm gonna use these as, let me see. Okay, nice. This is how it came out. I'm gonna use these poppy heads to put her alphabets on and her numbers. So I'm just gonna go through, take all these off, and I still have more to print out to make sure I have enough for all alphabets and numbers, but I have more cardstock here. So I'm gonna take these off and then load more paper so I can go ahead through to the next round. So these are the ones that I have so far. They came out great. Now, since Raina is asleep, I'm gonna go over here to the living room and lay the board out on the floor and kind of start playing with these while the machine is cutting the rest. Oh my God, how much did I do this? I think these are like 2 inches wide or something like that. Last time I did 3 inches. So I think I can fit like 4 in here. Yeah, I can definitely fit 4. And I'm gonna put the letters in between.
Yes.
Okay. Put it under. Under. Yep, under, like that. So I just wanna like play with them before I actually glue them down, to make sure that the other way, flip it the other way, to make sure I have enough space to get all the alphabets on here. And you see Miss Ava is helping me right now. Thank you, ma'am. I need to measure these poppy heads now and see how large or small I can go ahead and cut the letters out. I'm gonna do the numbers on that side of the board. And yeah, so let's see what we can do. At the top, I need to leave like 2.5 inches so that I have space for this board up here. I have printed out these labels. I cut them and I glued them to this blue piece of paper to get some color in here besides pink. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out and put them in their right places. I still need to do days of the week, months of the year. I need to put her birth date. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna put her birth date on this board. She knows her birth date. That's something that I can go over with her verbally, you know, throughout the day. I don't think we need the board for that, but it definitely helped having it on her first learning board. I'm going to use this blue sparkly cardstock for her handprints, which I need to go ahead on Canva now and get some handprints to get my Cricut machine to cut those out. And yeah, it's a process. I think next I'm gonna go ahead, do the handprints. I'm gonna cut this out, and then I'm gonna start working on numbers and letters to go on these, and start gluing those down. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I started gluing a few things down because I'm pretty confident that this side is gonna be what it is. We got the alphabets. I started gluing down the poppy heads, and I'm just like slowly filling the letters in. I printed the letters out, or cut the letters out on my Cricut machine. So I'm just kind of like slowly going through and weeding them out. Sorry, that's Ava in the back. So I'm just picking them off one by one and trying to go ahead and glue those down. I'm having to do it slow because this mat that I have is super sticky, so it's kind of tearing some of the pieces. And my other mat got messed up and I threw it in the trash. So yeah, it's a process. I know I'm not gonna finish this today. It's not gonna get done today, but this is what we have so far. I have not glued this side down. I want these to be interactive. I'm going to put the Velcro things on the back of them so that she can match them. And these are gonna be numbers. I need more of this shiny paper, glitter paper, so that I can do numbers. I may do blue, or I may go with another color, because Trolls is like all different kinds of colors. Even though Poppy's pink, it's different colors. And then we have this. All right guys, so this is what I have so far. I think I told you already, I started gluing stuff down. I started gluing these alphabets down because I'm sure that I'm not going to change this. I'm just missing a letter Z, but I need to get more of the glitter blue cardstock. I'm going to put the colors down here, so I need to get some cardstock in different colors, and I'm going to put them down here. Now up here, I'm going to do I am and do like a little Velcro sticky thing for her to put her age there. We have our opposites here. Okay. This month is, I made this little folder thing, which was really just the glittered cardstock that I stapled it together. I glued and stapled it together. And it has the months of the year in there, so she can pull them out. And I'll do the little Velcro stickies also, where she can put whatever month it is. And these I actually just, look, I pulled off of her old learning board. So yes, we recycle things around here. The next thing I'm working on is days of the week. I did some of them already, but I just printed out the days of the week, and I cut them, and I'm just gonna glue them down to this pink paper and cut them out to look like that. I made a small little folder thingy also so that she can take her shapes out. I'll Velcro sticky them and she can match them with, you know, the ones that are there. And then over here is going to be numbers. But again, I need to get more of the glitter cardstock for the numbers. So I'm just going to go through and start gluing this stuff down so that I can get some of the things done. And later on, I'm going to take another trip to Hobby Lobby so I can get the things that I'm missing, and then we'll be finishing up. I glued everything down. I still haven't gone to the store to get the numbers to go on this. I glued down my days of the week, and I did start Velcro, using the sticky Velcro so that she can take this off. Today is, and go to whatever day of the week it is. Today's Wednesday, so let's put that there, and I'll just leave it here when, you know, we're not using it. I remember these, I told you I was made, so I'm having a hard time getting them to stick to the board, like the actual glue. So I put some weight on it with these coasters to see if that'll help. And well, this stapler, this is not mine, but this stapler is not big enough to reach here. But what I did on this side was I stapled the board to the board so that it wouldn't go anywhere. And I like the idea of having this. I don't want to do folders because they're not cute and they're too big. I wanted something small. But anyway, I Velcro sticky all of these as well so that she can match her shape. And I'm missing the oval. I don't know where the oval went. It was here yesterday. Ava probably put it somewhere. But everything else is done.